Okay guys, so here's the Sumo Crawler with dig function. I somehow managed to fit all the electronics in there. Running the two solar servos. Right in the front I have the 6-channel servo. It's inverted. You have to see from the bottom to see the actual plugs going in there. I'm planning on getting rid of the plugs and just soldering the cables onto the plugs, but I wanted to do it quick so you guys could see it tonight. I have the 250 milliamp battery up the top. I decided to go with 2 separate ESCs, one for each servo. Not because the other idea wasn't working, where you could run it off the receiver itself, but because the servos, the micro servos that I had before, they didn't really like the 8 volts that I was running through them. They're micro servos after all. I mean, you would have to get a high voltage servo to get the whole thing to work out. So I decided to go on eBay and I found these 10 amp ESCs, front rear ESCs, and they were only $9 each. So I'll get you guys the item numbers so you can get those. There's 2 ESCs in there. Now, battery, ESCs, 2 servos, and receiver. Dry shaft for each side. Now let me show you what I can do. Turn it on. Of course, you guys know this guy. Okay, that's going crazy. Now, all the craziness was just me not setting up the transmitter before getting onto it. So let me just go ahead and set that trim. Alright. Yeah, that's what happens when you don't test things before doing the video. Anyways. You know what? Just to make things easier. No, that's too noisy. Okay. So there. See, I still gotta play with the trim on that guy. Okay. Alright, let's try that again. That's forward, that's reverse, that's front, that's rear. Let me see if I can get it to lock the tires. Again, that's the front tires, that's the rear tires, and then you got the 4-wheel steer. Crab walk. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this at night. I don't want to wake up the family. Anyway, that's crab walk. Then you have the alternating. Then you have the front. You got the rear. Again, you got the full forward and reverse, and then the front, and then the rear. Hold on, let me do something because this is not turning out to be too pretty. Alright, let's try this again. Front, rear, trying to set this to where you can see it. I'm not trying to hide anything. If I can get you a closer look. That's all for as you can see, one servo does the front axle, one servo does the rear axle. Now because of the GT3B being able to give you different percentages, you could also play with that. Right now I got them both just running the same speed. But you could also set it to 20, 30, 40%, whatever you want. I'll pick this guy tomorrow and have it run a little bit to see what kind of a difference it makes. Of course, I'm going to change these servos because they are garbage. They can hardly turn the wheels and they're not even on the ground. So, as you can see, I guess it works out. I'm gonna try and make it look a little prettier, but just wanted to prove the theory, I guess. Alright, so anyways, this video is getting way too long and boring, so I hope this helped anybody out there. Hope you guys like it. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Alright, thanks.